Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Suburban LT four-wheel drive, stock number Z9169XX. 24,000 miles on the Suburban. It's a one owner, clean auto check history report, jet black in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, a 6-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000 mile bumper to bumper, and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. The Suburban seats 8, leather interior, DVD players overhead for the second and third row, rear climate control. Outboard middle seats are also heated. Push of a button on the inside of the doorway. Seats will fold flat for additional cargo space. Push again. Seat will tumble forward, making it easy to get to the third row that also seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear. 60-40 split third row seat. Folds flat easily with the push of a button. You can actually fold all the seats from the rear and return it to the upright position. Trailering package behind the cover. Nice clean look when not in use. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Running boards make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LT has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats, power adjustable pedals, and power tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Moonroof. Shift on the fly 4-wheel drive with auto setting. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. It's also where you set the forward collision alert. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability as well as tow haul mode. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio, it's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. Navigation. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. 3-zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the center console. Auto dimming mirror. HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Moonroof and power liftgate control. Spacious ride. Under the hood, this Suburban has a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.